especially we will walk and stroll and showing you how it is, the situation basically. But we are not in the Ubud Center, the traditional market, but we will stroll to show you how is the eat street in Ubud. So first of all, we will take you to the one coffee shop. We just stop here, Damian, enjoying his coffee. And this place, basically, it's dinner time. It's quite busy. Like I told you, this one is the eat street also in Ubud, and this one is the coffee shop. Looks full.
So basically we had a coffee in this place. Pretty nice, I'm gonna tell you, nice donuts. And we're gonna show you a little bit around of the street, which is, I don't know what's the name of the street actually. But
close by Jalan Monkey.
Yeah, I consider this Eat Street because there's so many nice restaurants here. Basically, it's 6:30 p.m., so it's shortly after the sunset. The donut shop is there. There are a few others one. There's nice parking area. There's Van Dutch with this characteristic eye with eagles. But that's how it is. There was a lot of refurbishment and changes here recently. A lot of restaurants just came one by one next to each other. Some of them, they are nice looking even. So here we go. Previously, one of the first restaurants here, modern style restaurants. This was this one, the Pigeon, which during the pandemic we used to film quite a lot. And this restaurant, remember during pandemic there was the live band. It was so busy.
The only one live band.
And remember, so many people were not happy with that. But now it's quiet. So I don't know. It's different. It's changing. And then there is
let's turn left, honey. Go to the
corner
Monkey
of the well, this is the Pigeon, what I said, and then the Coco Bistro supermarket, actually not bistro, just the supermarket, and the main junction of the Jalan Monkey Forest. There's L'Osteria, and that's the Jalan Monkey Forest name with the big monkey sign. This is it. So now you got a point of view. Where is the beginning of the Eat Street in Ubud? Where is the corner of Jalan Monkey Forest? And there is the Pigeon and some other restaurant. And then we're gonna go back to the area opposite direction actually. There is the petrol station on the other side of the street. So basically I forgot about this one. There is some construction named Alaya or something. This is very typical names for Bali and Ubud especially. And this one is the one of the old restaurants. I think it belongs to Plataran. If you like Indonesian style places, this is the one, because other ones, they are modern obviously. So it all depends what are you looking for. Actually Alaya, not Plataran. It was Plataran a long time ago, it's a different property.
I don't know.
I got confused. However, Indonesian vibe. Still kids selling something here. The sandwich bar. Basically, for some reason, kinda quiet look like. Maybe at morning perhaps here is busy. I got confused now when people are actually going out. And this is the another restaurant. Actually everywhere there are restaurants, simply everywhere. This is where we were recently having a donut and coffee. But actually Pundi belongs to the same place. And there is another restaurant like this one. Also looks pretty decent inside. So this is it. And then you have some hotels like the Puri Padi Hotel or something like that. And we're gonna focus on this street. It's quite a lot of new places actually, like this one.
Just like this restaurant. I think this one is Italian restaurant, but empty.
All the restaurants are empty actually. I don't know what's going on. There is like a saloon, the
this is like
style.
Western style bar, right?
But
like
this,
American style.
Yeah, but this one is actually pretty new. It's empty. There is the vape shop. Vapes are actually still legal in Indonesia for some reason. This is interesting actually. Currency exchange rate, in case if you're always asking me how much is your dollars, this is it for you. And let's focus on this one. There are definitely more and more new restaurants just over there in the corner. But meanwhile you can find also the shops, the boutiques. It's just totally different vibe than in the art market of corner of Jalan Monkey Forest. This one is more cozy. Look at the almond of these coconuts here. Also pretty nice, decent looking place. And of course, as always, people must to park their motorbikes like this one. So you have to walk on the street. But this is welcome to Bali, Indonesia, because local people always complain as I never mention about Indonesia. Here we go, guys. I mentioned today about this one. And then there is the Kakian Bakery and Cafe and some hotels. We also used to film in the Kakian Bakery. in case if you would like to watch my previous video or seen previous videos. And then there is another small little place. Here you go. A lot of nice places here. It's been a while really when I was covering this street of Ubud. Usually I'm coming here at morning, so it's a little bit different vibe, but today, like already after sunset, wanted to show you what's going on. And another new place gonna be here, a little bit of the construction side. Another construction of one place. Don't remember what was the painting over here. There is the Plataran, what I thought before. My bad, but it is always, everything is here. It doesn't really matter. And that's the overall traffic. There is the beginning of the traffic jam. In case if you miss it, it is here as well. Here we go, Ubud traffic. Like I said, just in case if you miss it, the vibe, here you go. It's just the beginning on the corner of Kedaton. There is small ramen place, brand new, looks also pretty decent, I'm gonna tell you, and some massage parlors and everything. This is it. There is the corner. There are a few restaurants, hold on, like this one for example, the Evie or something like this one, but feels as most of those places are quiet for some reason. And then few places are open, few places are closed. This is something different, Locabara or something, and there was the construction of something, and there is Taco Casa in the corner and Pizza Mamma Mia. This actually place is pretty decent, and a little bit of the traffic situation I really wanted to show you because this is ridiculous actually. But you cannot find you cannot walk in Ubud anymore without the traffic, and the traffic in Ubud sometimes can be really tough, I'm gonna tell you. Anyways, this is a famous corner. In the morning it's pretty busy to compare to the Seminyak last time or even Sanur. There's a lot of people coming to Suka Espresso, for example, this place for the breakfast. Even right now it's pretty busy, and there is also Plataran entrance, and you can find few other establishments here and there. Hello, how are you? Lovely waiters, and there's another a new place here, not sure what is it, but looks okay. Traffic, and yeah, let's see what else we can find on the street. It's been a while actually when I was going into this direction. I know there is Babi Guling shop at the end. There is also something new there, not sure what is it, the business, and of course cannot keep eye off from the traffic jam. You're not gonna avoid this. Spa, a lot of spas actually, generally, and then there is the Gen Spa. At the beginning of our career on YouTube, we make a video there in case if you're interested. Nori, Ubud, which is like Japanese or something. Few establishments, except the traffic jam, of course. Cars blocking the view. But this is it, some restaurants. Considering this one as this is the Eat Street. Actually, if we are thinking about the Eat Street in Seminyak afternoon with the traffic jams, what they were there, this is make actually really sense. And there is the Panorama Bar, also pretty nice place. This is it. This is the Ubud around 7 p.m. recently over here. And some local bars as well here. That's definitely with the music like that, a local bar. And a little shop. And another place as well, like this one with the ice cream. Somebody enjoying the shisha. Shisha also is legal in Indonesia for some reason. Interesting. And this is the Merlins. This is where we made the video last time. Also very interesting. If you haven't watched my videos from this place, I highly recommend it. This is dedicated video to this place. And also on the other side there is nice restaurant. And eventually, finally, it's busy, full of people. Must be good. Something there. That's the name. Monello. Sounds serious. And then with the Nostimo right now, so massage parlors, of course, and something in the corner where it was Italian restaurants long time ago. Not sure what is it now. Thank you so much, ketchup guy. Thank you. And there is the empty land. The guy said to you, "Welcome to Bali," by the way. And this is it. A lot of construction on the other side. There was the old Italian restaurant here. Actually, I remember. Sorry, the car's blocking the view a little bit. But this is it. Now it's the called Friends or something like that. And then they make nice looking building and restaurant or something like this one as well. So many new places right now in
Yeah,
Bali, in Ubud
so-
especially, I gotta tell you, right?
Yeah, so mostly like Western restaurant, right, honey?
Mostly.
And then Western restaurant are, you know, busier if compared with Indonesian or Balinese restaurant. So what we
Definitely.
realize is that West people coming to Bali now more and more tend to choose Western food.
That's for sure. And this is the corner also where is the Max one. Last time somebody said this hotel shouldn't be here. And my friend said because there's monkeys, this is your hotel, I will never open the hotel like this one. But this is it. And then we have a little bit of the situation. There's some construction here. Also nobody gonna crash into me behind me because they make it like this, but they secure it. I'm surprised, actually impressed. The seats, Itri, that's the new place. And then we did also the museum or something long time ago, actually, by the way. There's a little bit of the situation of the traffic, and I guess money changer, of course. And there is the junction, actually. So this is like nearly the end of the street. I wanna show you what's going on here. Also, as well, extend the traffic, of course, because this is like the biggest attraction here. Some small restaurants here, also Batuvara, Hayden. Currency exchange one more time. Maybe it's actually better quality right now. I will stop. That's the exchange rate right now. And yeah, and the Hanover, more and more construction actually going on, the spa and the construction, and some Balinese or Indonesian restaurant in the background as well, and the huge traffic jam.
All right, I think that's all our video today from the Eat Street in Ubud. It's called Jalan Raya Pengosekan Ubud. As you see, this is how it is, the traffic situation. Probably it will take us 2 hours.
2 hours, at least
back
2
to
hours.
Sanur. Even like we are riding a motorbike. Okay, thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye!